having to find the equation of a straight line using the Casio Classpad. There's a number of ways you can go about doing this. Using the keyboard function and pressing the fraction button here, I can find out the gradient by simply typing in the numbers. So if I made this x1, y1, x2, y2, I can type those in. So it can be 3 minus 0 over negative 6 minus 3, and I get the equation, or the gradient rather, negative 1/3. So that's useful. And then what I can do is I can then go and substitute. And so normally what we have is that we have y equals mx plus c. So we can actually, if I was to solve, so we will solve for, we may as well use the first set of equations. So instead of y equals mx plus c, I'm actually going to replace y with 0, make it equals, and then it's, well, save ourselves from typing it, we can click and drag that number across, times 3 plus c, and solve for c, and it says c equals 1. And I've managed to get my equation. So that's one way of solving it, which can be very, very useful. Another way of solving it, which won't get you an exact value, which is what we prefer in advanced maths, but it can give you a very good approximation. If you go into the statistics button in the main menu, we'll just clear whatever junk we've got here. And if I put in those coordinates 3, 0, and negative 6 and 3, and then I go to calc, regression, linear reg, keep all those options there, press OK, and we've got, you'll notice it says here ax plus b. Yep. So the a is the number in front of the x, which it says here negative 0.33333, which would be negative 1/3. It says b here is 1, and so it's told you what the equation is. So this can be very useful as a means to check whether or not your answer is correct.